Kung ikaw ay nagtratrabaho ng 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, at hindi ka pa rin financially free, this video is for you. I'm Mr. Fish at ngayon ikukwento ko sa inyo kung paano ako kumikita ng 200,000 plus every single month working from home, walang boss, gamit lang ang laptop ko at ang mga skills na natutunan ko online. Hindi ito overnight success story. Hindi rin ito get rich quick. This is a real step-by-step breakdown ng exact na setup ko para makita mo kung posible ito para sa'yo. Stay with me. Magiging practical lang tayo. Before anything else, gusto ko maging honest tayo. May time na 0 pesos ang kinikita ko online. Nagtry ako ng lahat. Freelancing, crypto, play to earn, online selling, at maraming beses akong bumagsak. Twice na-delete yung dalawang 100,000 plus ko na YouTube channel. Pero yung mga failures na yun ang nagturo sa akin kung ano talaga ang gumagana at kung ano ang hindi. So, kung nag-iisip kayo na hindi ito para sa akin, pakinggan niyo muna ang buong story ko. Kasi kung kaya ko, posible rin na kaya mo to. As you already know, ako si Mr. Fish Vlogs, but most call me Mr. Fish. I'm a Filipino freelancer and CTO, Chief Technology Officer, working remotely for international clients for the past 10 years. Ang specialization ko ay real estate technology, go high-level automation, social media systems, at virtual assistants. Pero hindi ko ito natutunan sa school. Natuto ako sa experience, sa trial and error, sa YouTube, sa online courses, at sa maraming sleepless nights. And just a few years back, naabot ko ang 200,000 plus a month from just one client retainer alone. At ngayon, scaling pa ako. Goal ko, 1 million a month income. And I'm going to document the whole journey right here on this channel. So, kung gusto ninyong sumabay, subscribe na kayo ngayon kasi ito ay magiging interesting. Online income stream number 1, the retainer. Ang pinaka-stable na income ko right now ay ang aking CTO retainer. Anong ibig sabihin nun? May isang client akong international at ako ang kanilang Chief Technology Officer. I handle their tech systems, their automations, their digital strategy, everything that runs their business online. For that single client, I earn over 200,000 pesos a month. Paano ako kumikita ng malaki sa isang client lang? Hindi overnight yan. Nag-build ako ng skills for years. Go high level, CRM systems, real estate technology, at nag-focus ako sa isang niche, real estate agent attraction, for 10 years. Yung specialization na yun ang naging reason kung bakit handa silang magbayad ng premium sa akin. Tumaas yung value ko. So, lesson number 1. The more specific your skill, the higher your value, the higher your rate. Generalists earn average, specialists earn premium. Online income stream number 2, the agency. Ngayon, bukod sa retainer ko, nagbi-build na rin ako ng aking sariling agency. Ang niche ko, real estate team leaders at brokerage owners na gusto mag-attract ng more agents sa kanilang team. At ano ang tool ko? Go High Level. Para sa mga hindi pamilyar, Go High Level is a marketing automation platform na CRM. Email marketing, SMS automation, funnels, at appointment booking lahat sa iisang tool. At ako nagsisetup nito para sa mga clients ko. Then, nag-charge ako ng monthly retainer para sa ongoing management. So, imagine mo to. Isa lang na client, $997 a month. Starter lang yan. Pwede pang tumaas to 3K to 4K dollars a month. 5 clients, $5,000 to $20,000 a month. That's around 280 to over a million pesos a month. Monthly recurring, predictable, scalable. Basta mag-deliver ka, nandun ang income every month. That's the beauty ng retainer model. Online income stream number 3, investing. Ito ang pinaka-exciting para sa akin long term. Yung PSE dividend portfolio ko, meron akong 300 plus na ininvest sa Philippine Stock Exchange, specifically sa dividend paying stocks. Ang goal ko, 1 million a month purely from stock dividends in the next 8 to 10 years. Hindi to fast money, ito ay compound growth. Every month sa kinikita ko online, may portion na napupunta sa stocks and over time, yung pera ay nagtatrabaho para sa akin kahit natutulog ako. And of course, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research before investing in anything. But I'll be sharing my exact journey, what I'm buying, why I'm buying it, and how the portfolio is growing right here on this channel. And eto ang bonus, the AI multiplier. Bago ko makalimutan, ako ay isang Claude Pro subscriber at ChatGPT Plus subscriber. At every single day, ginagamit ko ang dalawang to para ma-10x ang aking output. Scripts, proposals, emails, system documentation, content planning, lahat mas mabilis, mas maganda, mas professional dahil sa AI. Walang agency, walang content, walang channel na to kung wala akong AI tools. So yes, kasama rin ito sa income setup ko. And in the coming videos, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang exact prompts at workflows ko. So let me summarize para sa'yo. Kung gusto mong magsimulang kumita ng malaki online, narito ang 3 bagay na kailangan mong gawin ngayon. Number 1, piliin ang isang specific skill na magagamit mo online. Hindi lang social media or content creation, something specific. Tulad ng Go High Level Automation para sa real estate agents, o Facebook ads para sa dental clinics, or video editing para sa finance YouTubers. Niche down. The riches are in the niches. Number 2, mag-target ng international clients. Ang rate sa Pilipinas ngayon ay 20 to 30,000 pesos a month para sa same work na nagbabayad ng $2,000 to $3,000 a month. That's 100 to 150,000 a month sa US or Australian clients. Same skills, very different pay. Mag-build ng LinkedIn profile, mag-learn ng Upwork or Contra, at i-position ang sarili mo para sa international market. Number 3, mag-invest ng kahit maliit every single month. Hindi kailangan malaki. Even 5,000 pesos a month into dividend stocks ay magiging something significant in 10 years. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Yun lang ang 3. Simple but not easy. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is execution. Sa next videos ko, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang bawat step ng journey ko. How I'm building the agency, how I'm growing the YouTube channel, how I'm investing sa Philippine stock market, how I use AI every single day. And from time to time, mag-share ako ng biblical finance teaching. Kasi naniniwala ako na ang financial freedom ay hindi lang about money. It's about stewardship. It's about purpose. It's about honoring God with what He has given us. Kung yun ang gusto nyong marinig, you're in the right place. So, since umabot ka sa part na to, my friend, una, subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa new videos ko. Libre lang pero malaki ang may tutulong. Pangalawa, i-like and share ang video na to kung may natutunan ka. At pangatlo, mag-comment ka ng isang bagay. Anong skill ang gusto mong i-develop this year? Basahin ko lahat ng comments at sasagutin ko kayo. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. God bless. I'm Mr. Fish and I'll see you next time. Blessed to be a blessing.